Pirate King Studio. Ben, full speed ahead. Okay, got it. We have to behave well today. Yes, it's up to us today. The enemy is found. Riddle cells. Damn it, the roach was shoot. Switch to HB bombs. Hurry up, hurry up. Roach, you won't sacrifice in vain. You two have a lot of fun, but what we are going to repair today is the washing machine.
Huh?
The washing machine is broken.
Huh?
It's exploded. Why I say the washing machine exploded? Let's check it out. Press the start button. You see it won't work. Would it be improved by getting a closer shot? Ignore you too. The Sims was filmed in the early days of the channel's creation, but it was repaired by replacing the assembly. Today I am going to challenge you directly to replace the damaged electronic component. But I need to remove the circuit board first. Detach the wire connector. This circuit board power supply block and the chain control block are combined together. This kind of break position is usually faulty. The washing machine circuit board is waterproof. How to repair it? Surgery today. Surgery today. Yes, I will do this. Pirate King used to facing problems directly. It's almost like opening a road when you meet a mountain and building a bridge when you meet a river. So if there is a waterproof layer, just cut it open. What? You said it's too rude. But what else can I do? And I'm not a civilized person. After opening this, the inside is sticky and black. But a little accident just happened. So the video for removing waterproof glue is gone. Obviously that is you forgot to press the remote control. There is no accident. Listen to me, don't be too persistent in life sometimes. Fortunately, the hole was open in a bad position. Now we need to open a bit bigger. Just pretend this is a perfect mistake, so we can see this process now. Damn, it's broken. Pirate King, what are you doing? You have to do this with emotion. Hey, why are you grabbing with your hands? It's so uneducated like that. You are so unprofessional. This black stuff is like motors. This is because the waterproof glue has deteriorated and it can be wiped off. I have no good way to deal with it, so I have to use a pinch to hold it up. It can be wiped clean with non-woven clothes and clean enough, sir. Okay, that's not the point. Now go to the next step. The multimeter switch on the buzzer mode to check the voltage regulator chip. You see, it's really short-circuited. The circuit board coated with waterproof glue often damaged in the dark position. Hey, Pirate King, this is just like cutting a cat. I don't want to eat all day. Desolder it now. This was just sucked with a tin sucker. Take it down. Let's take a look. It is black and sticky. I don't know what this one is. But according to its installation position, it should be a voltage regulator chip. I guess it's 7805 or 7812. No matter what, I will know when I clean it up. What? This is 7806. Take it down first. Pirate King magic. Look, if you want 7806, I will give you 7806. Install after applying a little thermal grease. Needless to say the lock screw. Clean the circuit board a bit, it can be installed. Install it if there is no problem. But I don't know what is 17806. It's okay, look here. This is the 17806 linear regulator IC. The pin is very simple, only input, output, and the ground. This picture to send us the washing machine. AC power is stepped down via a transformer. After being rectified by the bridge, 12 volts DC is generated, and then reduced to the 6 volts by 7806. This will produce a stable DC output voltage. Solder it now. Is there any other good way to repair the washing machine circuit board besides cutting it like this? So far I haven't figured out. If you have a better way, you can leave a comment below. Now I suddenly have an idea. This IC has been replaced. It is better to replace the capacitor together. 25 volt 1000 microfarad capacitor. Pirate King magic. $25 volt 1000 microfarad capacitor. Just plug it in and solder it. If you have a chance to repair this kind of circuit board, this capacitor must be replaced. Let's test it briefly. Just plug into power. In fact, I always test it before installing. Show you a simple test, don't say I haven't tried. The light is on. The power is coming. The circuit board is no problem. Now deal with waterproofing. What? Silicone? Wait a minute. Why do you use silicone? Just because I don't have money. If you watch the entire video and didn't skip the AD along with, and then click a like button at the end, this way Pirate King has the chance to buy the professional waterproof glue. After hours of drying ready to test. You see, after such repairs, it can start its laundry life. What? You said the washing machine think it should be rest and retire. But it may not understand that one who has never tasted what is bitter do not know what is sweet. Since you fell into the hands of a Pirate King today, please to wash your clothes obediently. But can this washing machine work properly? Let's keep watching. Power on. Yes, there is a beep. There is no water to test, then test the spin function. Start to spin. Try a few more tries and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pyraking Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.